Hey everybody, it's Nefertari, and I'm going to do a tutorial on Hootsuite. It is a social media auto poster, so it saves you a lot of time as far as posting in Facebook groups, posting on Twitter, LinkedIn, all of your major social media accounts. Okay, my my kids in the background. Okay, so here we go. As you can see up here, this is actually my stream for Twitter. I have one for Instagram, which I um, I'm not familiar with Instagram yet, so I'm learning to get familiar with Instagram. Of course, I'm familiar with Facebook and LinkedIn. To me, I know LinkedIn is not as interesting as Facebook. It's a lot of people that like to blog and give information. More is a little more professional. And my ads aren't necessarily, really professional, but you just never know who needs to find out about what you're doing. So, if people don't know about you, then it's your fault. Okay, so basically here, like you can add streams, and these are the streams here at the top that, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Um, and what it does, what Hootsuite offers would be like you can actually have all of your social media sites in one site, so like here you can see, your home feed for Twitter. If somebody mentions your name, your direct messages, tweets, all this stuff, scheduled tweets, and that's, Hootsuite. You can go to Facebook, and now here, as far as Facebook, these are, hold up. Okay, these are the things on your wall. Like when you open your Facebook and like you're just scrolling your wall. They also have Google Plus, which I'm not familiar with yet, and LinkedIn, which you know not as interesting as the other social media sites that people use on a daily basis, but it is a way to be seen, noticed, whatever. I'm sorry if you hear snoring. Okay, so so that you can understand what I was talking about just a moment ago, this is like my Twitter stream, so you can see the tweets that I sent out. These are my scheduled tweets, and we'll go over that in a moment. Someone said, whatever she said to me, I don't know her. These are direct messages. There's nothing personal here. Anyway, um, so you can see everything, going across the screen instead of you having to, to toggle between or, scroll and tap. It just goes across like one big page. Same thing for my Facebook. Um, this is my wall. So, boop, boop, boo. This is my wall. So these are people that are posting right now. Updates. These are actually posts going on in the Facebook groups. Boop, blah. Okay, LinkedIn. Whoever would be posting and saying something there. Yeah, mostly just not very excited people on LinkedIn, but hey. Well, I mean, I'm on LinkedIn, so I guess I'm an exciting person. Okay, so here we go. Major thing we want to talk about is posting in Facebook groups. And the first thing to remember about posting in Facebook groups is you need to get familiar with the rules of each group and make sure that it is actually okay to post in that group, because you, the groups have rules and you have to be familiar with the rules of the group. And if you're kind of new to doing this, let me show you where you can find out the rules of the group. This is affiliate marketing. It is an open group, and they don't really have any rules. But we could go over to like Greg Davis. If you don't know who Greg Davis is, you need to get to know who he is because he's really popular online. But anyway, talk about affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and all things Greg Davis. No self promotion or spam unless approved by me with my affiliate link in it. You can't complain or whine in this group. Is only positive, and so you can only give advice. So, and there are other groups that uh, that you may be in that have rules. Some groups don't allow links and posting about other businesses. Some groups were created to help to give advice about certain things. So you need to know that before you just go, all willy nilly post it in groups. And that is important because when you come over here to, when you do your streams, where is it? Come to me, talk to me. Okay, right here where it says add social network, and we go over to Facebook and see it says connect with Facebook. So when you connect with Facebook, it's going to connect everything about your Facebook, including your groups. So if you, like, I already have my Hootsuite is already set up, of course. So my my groups are already here, but the when you do yours, you have to go through and X out groups. Okay, well, okay, yeah, I'm already at 50, but because you can't do any more than 50. Where you going? Where you going? Okay, you can't do any more than 50 groups at a time. So I can't add any groups right now. But what I'm saying to you is when you connect your Hootsuite with Facebook, it is going to add all of your groups. And then you have to go through and you put like this little green check mark means that you want to, when you click it, you're actually, when you click, like if I click this, it thinks that I'm adding it. So when you set yours up, would you stop doing that? Okay, when you set yours up, you have to go in and not any groups that you are not allowed to post your link in. You need to make sure that that group does not wind up here on Hootsuite when you do your automatic posting. And I hope I understand. What? No, I'm sorry. Okay. Um, I hope that I'm explaining this well, and if I don't think so, I'll make another video. Okay, so what we can do here is let's go to Twitter. With that, so let's go to Twitter. We're just gonna do one right now. So my Twitter is hooked up, And I hope that you guys are typing your messages out on like um, your Word document. So I'm just going to copy this one. Boom, blah, boom, boom. Oh, what is it? Okay, let's try it again. Okay, here we go. We're gonna. Okay, okay. This is Open Office. It's not a Word document. Okay, so we go over here to compose message. We bam post it right there. My link is already there, and I'm using tiny URL. Um, and then I can schedule this. So I can schedule it for let's schedule it for 9:30 tonight because I already have some posted. So it's gonna be at 9:30 tonight. And it just says if the top marketers are using this all-in-one tool, shouldn't you do the same? And just schedule that for 9:30 tonight. And you can see right there just when it's going to post to my Twitter account at 9:30 tonight. If I wanted to do a different message, I can. You can type here, you can copy and paste. Also, you can save them. So you can see right here, I have ads already saved. And all you do is click, and there it is. I can schedule this for, let's schedule that for 3:30 today, p.m. All right, look at that. Okay, so that's scheduled as well. I'm not going to do Instagram because I don't understand Instagram yet. Sorry, but I don't. Okay, so we're going to go over here to Facebook. I'm going to X that out because I just want to post to Facebook. Now, as far as posting in Facebook groups, I don't have to click Facebook. When it loads my groups, I can just do my groups. And I'm just going to do 5 right now. You can post to 50 groups at one time with Hootsuite. No more than 50. Okay. So, I'm just going to go back over to my something that I saved already, and I'm gonna schedule it in those groups for 9 no for 10 woo, for 10:30 in the morning. And no, let's do it at night because anyway, because I said so. Okay, so those are going to be scheduled for 10:30 tonight, and I must still be okay. Yeah, well, it hasn't shown up here yet, but I know that it went in. Wait, was I on? Oh, did I do? Yeah, I know I did do Facebook. So why is it on LinkedIn right now? I don't know, but that's okay. It's my ad is going to post in one of my social media sites. Anyway, so if you're on LinkedIn, you can just. I probably wouldn't do an ad like that on LinkedIn, but it's right there, and I don't feel like going through the hassle changing it. And we'll just schedule it for 6:55 this morning. There you go. So LinkedIn, and it's going to schedule itself to post automatically. And that is kind of how well, it's not kind of, but it is how you post to Hootsuite. And so the major thing to know is that you can schedule your post whenever you want them to to post. So while you're at work, while you're picking up the kids and all that kind of stuff, some of your marketing stuff can be done, get